Bohr's atomic model, it explained how Rutherford was not able to explain the stability of atom. Bohr model successfully explained that. Now, what we need to understand is he told that in a certain orbit, electron is revolving. So, what is the radius of orbit? And then question arises, what must be the energy of the orbit, energy of the electron in the orbit? What must be the speed of electron in the orbit? So we need to have some formulas to calculate energy of orbit, radius of orbit, velocity of electron inside the orbit. So we are talking about all those formulas over here. So uh, beginning from these formulas, I'll tell you these formulas are not applicable to all atoms. Always remember this. These formulas are applicable only on one electron systems. Applicable only on one electron systems such as hydrogen and hydrogen like species. What are hydrogen like species? Hydrogen like species are helium plus. Helium has 2 electron, helium plus has 1 electron. Li2 plus. Lithium has 3 electrons, but plus 2 means 2 electrons have been removed. So Li plus 2 again has 1 electron. Beryllium 3 plus has 1 electron. All these have 1 electron, and all these species have 1 electron. So these formulas are applicable only on 1 electron systems. They are not applicable on multi electrons atoms. Alright. So these formulas are not applicable on lithium, but applicable on lithium plus 2. They are not applicable on beryllium, but they are applicable on beryllium 3 plus, because all these species have 1 electron. Alright. So this is very important. Remember, always remember this. Now some important formulas are given over here. Beginning from, what is the formula for radius of orbit? Radius of orbit has the formula of Rn is n is orbit number. Alright. So radius of orbit formula is 0.529 n square by z. What is n here? N is orbit number. If you want to calculate, let's say, the radius of third orbit, what you will do? Third orbit of hydrogen. So orbit number is 3 square. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? That is 1. So you put it here. If you want to calculate, let's say, you want to calculate radius of Li plus 2 second orbit. So what you will do is 0.529, and second orbit is 2 square by lithium is, what is the atomic number? 3. So you will put it like this. So this is how you can calculate radius of any orbit. Alright. In all these species, just remember the atomic number. Helium has atomic number of 2, lithium has atomic number of 3, beryllium has atomic number of 4. Let's move ahead. Next is formula for speed of electron. What is the formula for speed of electron? Speed of electron has a formula of 2.18 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Meter per second. Alright. And next important formula is energy of electron in a particular orbit. Let's say in first orbit you want to calculate energy of electron, then you use this formula. In third orbit, what will be the energy of electron? You use this formula. In any orbit, first to infinity, you just use this formula, you get the energy of that particular orbit. So energy has the formula minus 13.6 z square by n square. And what is the unit for energy here? Electron volt. Electron volt per atom. This is electron volt per atom. Alright. If you want to convert electron volt into joules, just multiply by this conversion. 1 electron volt equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Alright. If you want to calculate the value in joules, multiply electron volt into joule. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, this value, you multiply this with this, you get the answer in joule. Alright. So this is the formula for energy. What is the relation between kinetic energy and total energy? The formula we discussed just now, the formula for energy was minus 13.6. Z square by N square. That was for total energy. If you want to know the formula for kinetic energy, just put it like this: Ke is equals to minus of total energy. So total energy was minus 13.6. What will be the formula over here? Minus of minus 13.6 Z square by N square electron volt. This is the formula for kinetic energy. If you want to have the total energy value, so what you can do is total energy is equals to twice potential energy. Like I have wanted to tell you the formula for potential energy. Potential energy equals to twice of total energy. So that will be 2 into minus 13.6 Z square by N square electron volt. Alright, so these are some important formulas we need to know for the calculations or the numericals we want to check out. Alright, so this is it for this slide. Thank you.